So if you're missing a tooth or several teeth, there's a range of options we can use to replace those teeth. Some are more economical than others. For example, if you have a missing tooth and you need a quick remedy because you've got some event coming up, we certainly can make you a temporary restoration that might be removable. But most people aren't going to want to use that for a long period of time because they'll be frustrated by something that tends to move around in their mouth or something that they have to kind of take out at the end of the day. But there's other options too. We can make fixed bridge work that stays in your mouth all the time. They're very reliable, they can be very aesthetic, and they'll be able to function on that bridge just like a normal tooth. The last option, it sometimes is the most costly. We can use dental implants to replace your teeth. The best way to think of a dental implant is like a replacement root. We can put a titanium implant in the bone where your root used to live, and then we can build teeth or multiple teeth on those restorative platforms. The level of function that you can get with teeth that are built on implants is very close to natural teeth.